Hot Rod Ronnie, we got a little video here going on of Labor Day weekend. My wife and I are down here at our place on the Chesapeake Bay. Brought the Chevy Z71 down. Getting ready to go on our fishing trip tomorrow. For people who don't know, OBX stands for Outer Banks down in North Carolina. Mo Money stands for my mowing business. Chevy's been doing great gas mileage on it. Of course, when you tow, you don't get as much. Gotta have Old Glory on it. Here's an awesome little Carolina Skiff. It'll run like 35 miles an hour. Sips gas, which is great. We just went up and got some of the 93 no ethanol gas. For people that don't know, you do not put that ethanol gas in your boats. It will definitely ruin the motors. It's a 19-foot. Got the Bahimi top fish finder, which I really need. Got the awesome Yamaha 60. Got the best stuff in it you can buy. Thames oil. What's nice about this boat is it's a semi-V bottom. That means it's not the flat bottoms. They're real hard riding. This is a lot better riding boat. Plus, you can pull it right up on the shore. That's a home away from home right there. Got an addition put on it. I'll take one of you in a minute. My neighbor hollering at me. Here's the Chesapeake Bay. Go up there and take a left, you Rappahannock River. Straight across there is Maryland. And if you keep going down to the right, it's the Piankatank River. Here are my neighbors. And right here in this corner right there, right over those rocks is where I fish. Yeah, buddy. Take me about 4 poles down there and a 6-pack of beer. I'm in my heaven. That's it.